Let's go buys.
Good morning, welcome again to the live streams of Luke Trades London, the 27th of April. Let's get it today. That camera thing on. Ooh. Cool. How was last night? Yeah, pretty fun, man. Had a good time. Had a pretty good time. So, but I still lost my glasses. They're gone. Yeah, no, not bears, but good burger with masterpiece. It was really good. Let's remove all this shit. What is Chichi doing?
Morning, guys.
Yo, Frankie, man. You're pretty quiet.
Better?
Yeah, better. Yo, man, like Dogecoin in the house. Look on gold quick. Oh yeah, pretty nice. Chin up. I think if you have a close above there, you could definitely look for buys. Shouldn't be bothered, but if you see that price is respecting it at the level and not breaking it, then you should be bothered. I think the most important thing now is just wait for a candle to close. Candle close above and then continue moving further up. And then you can target this and this. So the target's pretty clean. And you need to make sure that this wick gets passed by and not rejected by. J.
I'm liking GG how it's looking, honestly.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm not the biggest fan, actually.
No, it's not the best, but some were saying it's very bad, and I don't think so.
Funny part is that we made a fake out to the top and a fake out to the bottom right now.
Oh, but it makes sense on the weekly. It's just making its top wick, I would say.
Yeah, 100%.
And after, this is why today I think it can drop heavy.
Yeah, I'm looking for sells because we're at weekly resistance.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. How are you, man?
Good. How are you, Luke?
Yeah, pretty good, man.
That's nice.
Good morning.
Based on all this rejection, I'm looking for sells.
Yeah, I'm looking for sells too.
Nice.
Waiting for 1 hour support to broke, close below.
Yep.
Then let's see.
Very ugly, nasty range on GJ.
Yeah.
Think it might be another character building day.
Oh, you know, I think if we start closing below 180, we got clean traffic here. There's some ugly dog shit over here, but you can't. It's like a 40 pip range, I think. 50. Oh shit! No, I'm not in the trade, guys. Don't worry. There you go. Yeah, it's 43 pips. I think you can target that. But on the 30-minute time frame, there are some issues.
We'll have to see how that plays out.
Yeah, I think by basis structure, you could already, look if you can get an entry. Gold. Yeah, 15 closes above resistance, but if you see for yourself, close without a wick.
Yeah.
And here it does again what I always say, it's gonna make a little top wick and then drop down.
Yeah, if the hourly can close above the resistance and this like 50-minute week bearish, the break of that high might be a good buy.
Yep.
Wait, say that again, please.
Like if this 15-minute can close week bearish above this resistance, above like 1782, 700, then a break of that high can be pretty good to go up with clean traffic to the left.
And GJ.
No, gold.
Ah, okay. I was like, all right.
Yeah, clean traffic be like those tunnels.
Najim is already in some buys.
On gold?
Yes.
Oh, really? Nice. That makes sense. The day.
He has, wait, because I don't have gold, but he has, don't know if you hear Najim tell your entries because they're pretty sick.
How low is it?
I entered
Wait.
in the.
I want to know. You entered here.
No.
Here.
No.
Go on the 4 hour and look at the wicks.
Oh,
all the way down there.
Shit.
Exactly.
No way.
Dang.
Yes.
Yo, my man.
It is what it is.
Morning, people.
Oh,
I have
Morning.
I have a second entry again up there.
okay. How did the meeting go, Luca and Master P?
It was
it's-
pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good, man. We had some good food.
Delicious burger.
The bad boys out.
Forex traders out and about.
Yeah, it was pretty good. By the way,
Blast.
bro,
Uh-huh.
your car is so loud from the outside.
Yeah,
You drove
we were-
past me where I went left and you went straight.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, it was like if I was sitting in your car.
Oh, damn.
No joke. It's loud.
Yeah. Blasting through that clean traffic in the tunnels.
Bro, that was loud. That was so loud.
Yeah.
Next time, two-step.
Some launch control.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, when are you picking up your 4 hour at the dealership?
That'll need some time, I think.
Hey, at least it's just next door.
Yeah, true. It's a quick walk.
Is there any guys at your office that have one?
Hmm?
Is there any guys or like girls who have one at your office?
No, I don't think so. That'd be pretty cool having one in the parking garage.
Yeah. What kind of business do the other people have in like your building?
I know one of the other offices does like something with sewage water, where they recycle the sewage water to make it back into drinkable water. I hope they're doing a
Pretty
good
cool.
job with that. And then I heard about this other one. They're in the building, maybe not on the same floor, but there's like an administration thing for an escort service.
Whoa! Nice!
Yeah.
Nice! That's why you're there.
Yeah, no, it's just the administration department.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. That's what they always say.
Yeah, yeah. In the terms of agreement, they had to add like no adding of like your company logos on your wall or something like that because of them.
What the fuck are you doing from a beach? Are you homeless? Oh man, is going there for them administration things. And then he's going to Limburg, and then he's
We're gonna do some administration and
yeah. You know the vibe. It's up.
It is what it is.
Yeah, man. Bro, I'm so annoyed. Don't have my glasses. I can't see shit. Well, I can see shit. I see GJ. But overall, buy sells. You got a large range. But it makes sense because 150 is ugly.
But I hope you're ready to wait.
Yeah, it's going to be a very long waiting game, but it's going to be a very long, safe waiting game because you know he doesn't want to be in it.
Mhm.
On one side, it makes a lot of sense. This 4 is going to make his bottom wick and then drop.
yeah, the 4-hour kind of looks like he created a top wick to go down.
I want this structure to be broken right here. Higher, low, higher,
Yeah, I'm
high.
waiting for that too.
Very nice.
Maybe thinking of taking a small position in the range with the expected breakout, and after the C to get a better confirmations once it breaks out.
Yeah.
Just like based on structure in the range, like higher time frames, and after like maybe add some once it starts breaking out. But hey, have this.
You know the vibe.
This 1 hour on gold is closing beautiful above the zone.
True. I'm looking to execute on that.
Very nice. I like it. I like it too. So I might do something.
Ooh.
Yeah, let's see. I would. If it closes bearish, I will wait for a bottom wick and then break of structure. Previous highs and champagne.
True. What's this wick? It's 12 pips. Okay.
Yeah. I think you do have to look out for that, and you want that to break straight away.
Yeah, true. I want to see a bottom wick created first.
But your overall target, first target, should be like 88. Based on this level here to the left.
True.
Look on 30-minute time frame. She should have broken down.
I'd really like this 15 to close weak bearish though. Because if it closes weak bullish, then that's kind of an issue for the bullish side. In a way.
Oh yeah, it's King's Day here.
Oh yeah, true.
So all the stores are closed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good. Clean chart. I don't know if I want to buy above there, to be honest. It's a weekly zone.
There's some yen conference at 7 o'clock, like in 3 minutes.
Yeah, let me take a look soon.
What are they doing up at this time?
I don't know. Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh, listen. Oh. There we go. Look real quick. Okay. Press conference. Go to sleep, man. Yeah, gold's doing pretty well, man, to be honest. Because this 15 is going to close bearish, and then next one's going to break the high, and it's going to...
That's what I want.
Yes.
Keep going to retest the weekly zone up there.
When GJ has price action like this, like it has now, what do you look for a set of a trade? I look for a structure to break. And when structure breaks, I can get it. Like structure like this, like this, like this, like this, and aim for this. Yeah. So I'm still looking on what GJ is going to do.
1 hour is about to
go. Always believe in yourself.
Yeah, let's see if we can create a bottom wick before breaking the high. That would be really nice.
Yeah.
go all the way down to resistance. Yeah. But let's see. Because gold, it goes like why to make huge wick before. I don't like that start of that 1 hour.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't like that it's going up before.
Yeah. But
Oh
also,
shit.
yeah, that's what I don't like.
I'm not in.
But it's normal. It came down very quick.
True. If it breaks maybe its own high after creating a healthy bottom wick.
Yeah.
I want a deeper pullback.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, what up, soldiers?
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, stop.
Where it's like 182, 59, 69.
Frank, I hope you didn't get in. In your small cells.
How did GJ close? Ooh. Okay. Still close bullish. But now it's the news. Price just made a top wick. Let's see.
Yeah, I think you're just getting ready for to go down.
Yeah.
To create a resistance, like below that previous resistance in 1 hour. Probably gonna go down.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm waiting for buys around 149.85.
Yeah, that's gonna be my target for sells.
Nice.
I think if you see structure being formed just above this 5 minute, by this 5 minute support, coming back up and break the previous high again, you could expect price to continue moving further back up again.
Gold is crazy, man. Coming all the way down.
Yeah, I'd want this 5 minute to close bearish and maybe next one break the high or something, but
Yeah,
it's kind of retracing quite a bit.
I wanted that retrace to be on the downside
Mhm.
for me to get in because it just jumped up out of top, without a bottom wick. If it did vice versa, so jump down and then went back up, then we should have been good.
Yeah, that's what I don't like about gold. Like it comes all the way down to take people out and then go up.
Yeah, because this could be a level which is retesting maybe as well, 180, 150
Yeah,
before going up.
hopefully it doesn't stop my second entry.
Going up on a Tuesday.
Hey, Augustus, XRP is pumping again.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it was expected, man.
Yeah, true.
Well,
I took a little
I took-
buy on XRP.
Oh, did you?
No, on XRP I had a little buy on from last Thursday, Friday.
Okay,
From
that's really nice.
1.9 on the retest, but it's only like $15.
Anyways, man, it's still money, right?
I made
Yeah,
18% on Holo yesterday. I'm nearly on like 75% on IQ and MBL, and BNB is just doing its thing.
oh nice.
Yeah, we're gonna on XRP. We're gonna retest the highs and push further up.
Mhm.
You know, for my friend's wedding, I gave him 40 XRP master pay.
Oh really?
He like-
That's amazing.
At the time, it was like 110, something like that.
Mhm.
It was like 50 pounds worth, $50 worth. And now, like, he's like really happy.
Oh, that's really cool. It's a great wedding present.
Yeah, everyone was giving cash, and I was like, do you know what? I'll just give him XRP.
That's awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, by the time they can
Have kids and blah,
Yeah,
blah, blah.
they can go straight to college and whatnot
Straight to
with tech.
Yeah, I
support.
mean, like, at the end of the day, it's money, right? Like, that's what we are buying crypto for, isn't it?
True.
So, like, if people are gifting money, why can't I use the same thing for gifting cryptos?
Mhm. True, it's an asset. So
Apparently,
Yeah.
one of the NFL, I think, guys
Huh?
got paid in Bitcoin.
Oh,
Yeah?
shit.
Yeah, around something like 900,000, something like that, like a sign-on bonus or something.
Hey.
And his value increased the next day because Bitcoin shot up.
Oh.
What an investment.
Nah, he just got paid, man. He's
Yeah.
just got paid in
know.
Bitcoin. That's it, you know. Oh, man,
I think we
that's-
should be able to ask for it, man. Like a Bitcoin payment service.
you know what I'm wondering, like Bitcoin, it moves so much. What if one day you receive a payment in Bitcoin and you you wait a day to cash it out, but in a day it can move like 10%, 20%.
Yeah, and the thing is that the transaction speed on Bitcoin is slow.
Oh really? I thought it was
It's up 4 days, isn't it?
Yeah, XRP is fast as fuck, and Ethereum is fast, but Ethereum has high transaction costs, I think. If I'm saying this right, I'm not a geek in
Crypto.
crypto.
Yeah, I'm looking at quick sales maybe on next 15 minutes or this 15 minutes. Like very quick, like 6 pip sales.
Oh, is it inside the range?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Like basing it on the higher time frames, like where the 4 hours making its top break.
Yeah,
This
makes
1
sense.
hour respecting resistance.
Yeah, makes sense.
Volume should start coming in also, so let's see.
Yeah, I want to see a 1 hour close below these levels. No, 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 no. Not selling now. Get the week, man.
I mean,
Yeah, I thought so. When it started flipping, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, GJ. 284 and Gucci.
Ooh, cheek. What is your target? Should be right here, like 280, right?
Yeah. So, ooh.
Man, like Timpani beat.
You need to share your sound with Zoom.
Oh yeah, sorry, man.
No
Let me
worries.
do that. Your sound.
Pretty sure this goes down, Frank.
Yep, I have to see.
Because I need buys lower, so.
Two-hour chart.
Tom, you're looking for buys on GJ?
But it's around 149.85. So I have to wait a bit. Hopefully in New York it comes.
I
I like to take
don't
trades in New York. Sorry.
know about this traffic, man. I wouldn't want to buy up in here. On this chart. I'd rather sell down and then, you know.
I did put my stops at break even though it's maybe not in my rule, but I'm not losing this one now.
How deep are you?
Hmm?
How many pips are you in profit?
I'm not looking at pips. I'm looking to risk to reward. My TP is 278. That's where I'm taking it out. But the thing is, based on my entry, I would have wanted a bit higher to get that support at my TP, but I don't know if that makes sense.
Where did you enter?
346.
Oh.
I said it's quick sales, which like based on higher time frames, even though it's very it's rangy.
Yeah. Still think we're going down though. So you're good.
Yeah, 278. I'm taking 90% off and even more.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, I think you can hold to 27.
I'm not holding. And we good.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job. No drawdown. Right?
Do what? No draw? A little bit, because it when it broke, it went back up a little bit, but pretty much no, nothing.
Very nice.
The runner can eat. I feel like this runner could, because now based on the 4 hour, this thing is going to drop. See you later.
How does one identify no trade zones? Because there's too much traffic inside them.
Oh no! I put my TP on my runner. Oh shit.
What? What are you doing?
I was putting TP, so I left the TP. I'm so stupid. I don't have my runner anymore.
Oh. Smart man.
Oh fuck. Oh no. Oh fucking hell.
What is gold doing? Ooh, gold's dropping.
Oh, this fucking bastard. Oh, sorry.
I don't
Oh,
know.
this is big drop. Oh shit.
It's gonna be 50 pips down, man.
Yep.
Bro, it's going to be more. It's going to
Going
be 100
downtown.
pips.
Who's
Oh,
This
no.
4 hours is going to melt. Like, that's what I was looking at.
Were you in with normal position or
Yeah. Oh,
wrong chart? Yes. Wrong chart.
because what I did, I was like, I'm going to put a TP and I'm going to close everything. And after I was like, no, because this one I can eat. So I was like, now I'm closed manually, but I left the TP in and I closed it a bit before my position. Like when it hit 278 on my Tradingview, not on my MetaTrader. And oh, fuck.
It is what it is, Frankie man.
Yeah, but it still wins, so I'm not going to.
Yeah, you're good.
And yeah, I mean, like I said, it is a risky trade. You're in a range. That's why I could sell, like not put in a lot of like not a big target.
No, I didn't think it was risky, man. You looked at the candles and it made sense.
No, it made sense on the higher time frames. I'm right with you. But the thing is, smaller time frames have a lot of like support, resistance, and it's very rangy. So it can easily get like some big rejections. And based on my style, I don't have that big of a stop loss. So it could easily just come back up or just like do some funny stuff. And that I don't like really in a trade.
Right.
But yeah, it's still valid for me. And yeah, for those who missed it, like just chill, wait when you get a lot of opportunities going down. I feel like.
I think on gold, what you could maybe do now is just maybe expect price to pull back up for this close and then create support and then break this high and then continue move further up. Or this is going to be a fake out and you're going to go downtown towards this level.
Yeah, that's also likely. Because if you look at the 4 hour, it's in a range and no candle closed above this or outside this range. So could just head, yeah.
Look at all the way. Yeah, I'm on not the best provider anyways. Let me look on the window. Yeah, this is better.
So if it closes below this minor support on the 30-minute, it can come down to the support on the 4 hour.
Yeah. It's gonna fake out and then bang down. Break of 250 now. Because if you look at 270, there's a support, and then clean traffic. Oh, clean. This is all dog shit too, but a little bit cleaner. Unable to send a chart. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if the people, like some wanted me to explain the trade. I mean, because nothing's happening, I could maybe do that, if you don't mind.
What do you say?
Somebody wanted to explain the trade. Because nothing's going on, I could maybe do that, if you don't mind.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, go ahead. Let me go to
So go to the 4 hour. So we'll start from the beginning. Go to the weekly. So zoom out, please. The weekly. So last, we're gonna annotate. Need to fall on. So this. How do we get Okay, so weekly, this was a strong support, like for the past weeks. It broke out last week. So now what you could expect is making its top wick. So here, and after they keep going down. So now, keeping that in mind, can you go to the daily, please? So now you see on the daily, what it did is it came back up, like we were saying, so making its top, a bit lost in the soup, making its top wick, and after, so you could expect it now to go down. So that's why we're looking for sells. Now 4 hour. So 4 hour rate, that's a race. Okay. So 4 hour, you see it's going up, but as we go up, the volume in these candles, the last 3 candles, were decreasing, making a lot of wicks to the top, like rejection wicks. And you can see that this was the last one. So for it to go bearish, what we like to see is the next wick to never break the top wick. So now on the 1 hour.
Let's see.
Yeah. And the one, oh wait, yeah. So this this candle here, this green one, is the last 1 hour close, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And so it made a pretty strong resistance. Wait, just so I don't get, yeah, that's it. And it made a pretty strong resistance. So what you do want for this candle, if you want to see sells, is for it to make its top wick, like it just, wait, a bit lost in Zoom, sorry, like it just made here, and then to correct the move. And what we saw is because on the 4 hour, if you remember, it went up slowly. So with volume, you could easily expect the next 4 hour to be very bearish and to correct this whole range, because this is just very slow, not a lot of volume. And with London Open, you could expect this 4 hour to just break through everything.
Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Well,
And
look for that
so,
structure to break and then
yeah.
continue down
Yeah.
with sells.
And now, so in the 30 minutes. So this is, you know, see how I end, maybe even the 15 minutes, sorry, the 30 minutes was not so much, there's not so much indication. So my entry that I can remember, everything I did. So yeah, so this was, so this candle was the close of the 1 hour. So like we said, on the new 1 hour, you want the top wick before going down.
Yeah.
But the thing is, this top bottom wick is already support. So you shouldn't enter once it broke that top wick. So what I did is, once it's made its top wick, bottom wick came back. Once it broke its bottom wick again, then you had very clean indication for it to at least come to this, or sorry, so this support.
What also could have been explained in this one is that you can see it pretty well here on the 15-minute time frame. Price went up, price started to close without top wicks. Like this is pretty much no wick. This one has a little bit of a wick. This one went down, came back up. Next 1 hour candle came back up, respected this level to the left, and then started to go down. That could have been an entry inside the range if you trade inside ranges.
But it was still very risky, like I just said before, because you're in a range and you enter on lower time frames, but it can do a lot of weird stuff in lower time frames. Like it is probably doing now, like rejecting, coming back up and creating support a bit in the middle again.
Oh well.
Hey Frank, man, in terms of how you read the candle and how the candle forms, right? The anatomy of the candle, like how the candle prints, man, that's fucking amazing, man. That's like brilliant analysis.
Yeah, I mean, it didn't come like pretty quick. Like
No, I mean, like you did say, like it's risky in terms of not in terms of the analysis, but like in terms of like 6 or 7 pips range. And if you're targeting that with your plan, then that's absolutely amazing, man. But like if people who are looking for that 10 pips range, you know, if the range was slightly bigger, then you can apply the same concept in higher time frames, which is like I think very helpful to a lot of people, man. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
So guys, could you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. So I want to ask, when you guys trade, do you also trade regarding the news, or I mean like high impact news, or you guys just doesn't trade when high impact news are coming out?
Well, it depends. If I see like a couple red folders at the same time, then I'm waiting. And if I see an orange folder, one orange folder, or just a couple yellow ones, I don't really mind. But you always do have to look out for news, because news can shake up the markets.
Okay.
So be careful if you want to trade news.
Besides, I know NFP is a big news. So besides NFP, is there any big news that I really need to take attention of?
Well, take a look here at this website. Put it in the chat for you.
It really depends what you're trading.
There you go. Yeah, it depends on what you're trading. And here, if you go to, let's say, last week we had some news. We had retail sales, I think. There you have retail sales. You have some other stuff.
Okay.
Just take a look on your pair, because this it says all the pair. It says all the pairs USD, GBP, CAD, and just take a look on what it's saying and what folder it is. Red folder is always high impact news, medium impact news, and low impact news. So just take a look and start understanding it by just looking at it constantly and looking at the numbers and all that stuff.
Okay, thanks, Luke.
Yeah.
My advice, I mean, how I trade and look at news is the only thing I don't want to trade is wet news, like the red flag, or I don't know how you would call it. When it's red, I really don't touch the chart. I'll just watch it. But otherwise, I actually don't really pay attention to news. I know it's maybe not the best thing to do, but I've noticed that news actually just brings volume to the charts, but doesn't really change direction. At least and because I'm only aiming for like small, like 10 pips, 6 pips, like stuff like that, it doesn't really impact me. It just adds volume to me to hit my target. So the only thing is, for me, when it's red, I don't trade. Otherwise, I look at it, it gives me some sort of indication, but I don't pay that much attention to it.
Yeah, I would still be careful with it, man. Because if there's a red folder news, there could be a huge spike and you can get taken out real quick.
Yeah.
So be careful, man.
I think I will just maybe avoid trading if there's a red flag there. Yeah.
Yeah, just avoid
in the beginning, when it's red, even orange, I would say not, like, don't touch the chart, just watch. And after, maybe as you go on, like, you could start doing what works for you. And also, like, before we had Brexit, so the news was actually like, it moved the markets a lot. Now we're in a bit of more like even coronavirus, but it's a bit more calm. Like the news doesn't spike up everywhere. So it all depends. I mean, there's no right or wrong answer. Just pay attention to it, watch the charts once it's happened, and yeah.
I just want to know how you guys trade usually. Also, do you guys use pattern or just maybe support and resistance? I mean, like pattern, like double bottom or triple bottom, double top, triple top.
No, I don't look at that.
No, okay.
It's more about like price action.
Okay.
Once you mark your zones, like your zones are correct, like for support and resistance. Without even noticing it, you have the same pattern as a double bottom or something like that. Because all it is just resistance and support with a bit of market structure.
And we should sometimes buy at double tops and sell at double bottoms.
Yep. But specifically look for it.
Yeah, it's just the
I
price
agree.
actually.
Because before when I was trading, I used to see like a spot double bottom or top, but it proved it doesn't be so effective. So I'm thinking just like trading support resistance and the zone, and then when it broke, we just go for impulse entry. And
I think it's
that's
based on the
better,
higher time
yes.
frames. It's stronger.
Yep.
Yeah, it's very important to look at the higher time frame. Where is the 1 hour and the 4 hour at? Like it is it for like a weekly? Is it a monthly? Where the price is at? It's very important.
And also just now Frank just say like to start he started the analysis from like weekly, so I think that's a very good demonstration for him to show us, and I appreciate it, Frank.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, it is good to look at the high time frames and to know what you're looking at, but don't put too much emphasis on it, because like yesterday, I would have thought the move could have started a bit early, but it didn't. Like I was still looking for sales this week, but maybe when I came in on Monday, I was like, okay, we're not going to get that big of a top wick. And if you put too much emphasis on that, you're actually going to miss a lot of trades. So just have like big general idea of what's happening on the weekly, and I have to start like putting all the pieces together.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, guys.
No problem. I think based on GU, if this kind of gonna reject from it and a 1 hour candle is gonna close below this level right here, you could continue moving down to here, but ranges seem a little bit tight though. 13 pips, I think. Buy, so we'd be looking, yeah, still above here, and then this is strict that first target, and then continue moving further up. EU pretty easy. Sells below there. I don't know if I would buy above here because it's not the cleanest, but do some music back on.
I wonder what
yesterday. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to hit that 5K this week. There's going to be a Magic Keys giveaway at 5K. 2 Magic Keys are going to be given away. One by me and one by Investing Yen. So that's going to be pretty cool once we hit 5,000. We're right now on, how much are we on? 4,460, so 540 to go. Yesterday, you are away. $30 just closed. I'm not a fan.
Yeah, I said my runner would have been stopped out.
Yeah.
It's
now
just
you
enough
secured more.
Yeah.
I think we need to break below 250 for eventually look for sales.
Yeah, 100%. How to participate to get Magic Keys? Well, it's going to be based on the best chart. We're gonna, once we hit the 5K, we're gonna do a week long of the best charts, and then we're gonna have a leaderboard, and then that leaderboard is gonna be put into some thing on the internet probably, and it's gonna choose which one, which person gonna win the Magic Keys. So it's all gonna be based on the best chart. Away. 15 sort of faked out.
And that's exactly the thing. When you trade in a range like that, if you have too big of a target, I mean, candles just go and make support, come back up, reject, and it's not like clear, like moves to the downside or to the upside.
To be honest, if you look on a 4 hour look, and you look at the 20th of April to the top side. Yeah, so just you see how we gradually moved up and then dropped.
Yeah.
Look at the situation right now on the 4
Yeah,
hour.
it's the same. It's the same.
thing.
It's the same. Look at all these candles. They're all the same. So there's going to be downside momentum soon. It's the same wake up. It's the exact same candle right here. It's this one.
Yeah.
And like to the left, the new wick on this 4 hour never broke the highest point, like the
wick.
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes at these moments, I'm like, I want to just take a sell because you can sell at any moment, but it doesn't make sense at that time.
And trading like Najim, like he would have maybe taken a sell at the top of them all.
Yeah.
But I think it's still a good thing to like talk with everybody and see how they trade, because maybe over the years, like for now it's not in my plans, but maybe like 1-2 years, like maybe start like maybe adding like a little bit of swing here and there, like when you see stuff like that.
So just be careful, because the 4 hour, it may close above the daily to the left.
Yeah.
So we may see a push up a little bit more. For now, it's just at the resistance of daily. That's why I want to see pulling back, break the lows in 1 hour to confirm sells.
Like on lower time frames, like at least what I see is if this 15-minute can at least close below like 280, like the previous support in that area of rejection, then it's already a good sign that the 1 hour closed bearish and you can start seeing some more momentum to the downside. But if this one area closes bullish or like doji back in this range, then you have to be patient.
I think gold took a lot of people out.
Yeah. I think so.
Everybody entered buys.
Yeah, they're it's breaking the high. Psych. This is the
I'm
wrong
feeling-
number.
Broke the high in the first minute.
Yeah. But you know, it's good that you see this happening over and over again and not falling in the same trap.
Yeah, true. Now I'm looking to see if it can close this below this 15-minute support that it created.
Yeah. Yeah, if we're going to start seeing structure break on the higher time frames, I'm looking for sells. This situation, I know, because it's
He's too busy taking entries.
yeah, that's what I thought. So,
What's happening?
what are you doing?
Chilling, man.
Okay. What do you think about this 15 breaking the low?
I should have been in now.
Yeah,
Fuck.
that's what I thought. That's why I called you.
But nah, I'm gonna wait for the breakout, like to actually close below. So fuck it. If it moves, it moves.
Pretty good.
I'm not getting in. It's just a nasty range, man. So,
It's nasty. It's a galate.
yeah, I'll wait for the confirmation. That's it.
It's better. Wait for that
Mhm.
closey thing, you know. I was like, this is your setup.
Yeah.
Let me call
Indeed,
you.
but the range to the left for me is just too nasty for me to take that sort of a setup.
Yeah. You want
know
this
what's-
to the left. This thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, I
You don't
want
know where
something.
it's gonna respect.
Yeah. So I just want something clean. And if it pushes and it runs away, cool. It is what it is, right? So
Then it wasn't your trade anyways. You didn't miss
Mhm.
anything.
yeah, exactly.
That's people are always like, oh, you missed a trade, or you missed this, or I missed a trade, or you missed a trade yourself, or someone missed a trade, and then you're like, actually, if the trade wasn't fully in your plan, if it didn't have everything that is in your plan, you didn't miss anything because it wasn't your trade.
100%, man. I wasn't even looking.
Yeah.
Like, babe, with one eye attention, you know, I was just like, yeah, like I was looking on a 30-minute. I was like, yeah, okay, it's breaking, you know, see how it goes. But then you told me like 15, I dropped to 15. I was like, yeah, it's kind of my trading, but it's like, it's nasty,
Nasty.
mate. It's just rejections after rejections. And it was just like, do I want to get into this kind of trouble?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think so.
But
Just let it break down.
Definitely people in this one. Sure.
Yeah. If I would have a clean range to the left, I would be in.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Straight away. Not happening.
But it's just nasty.
Nasty things.
But it makes sense for him to drop. Like, we broke the 1 hour low, we never broke the high of the 1 hour. Then 30 minutes sort of you know, slightly want to push down, but keeps rejecting that 250 level, if you can see. So yeah, I just gotta be patient, man. Like yesterday,
Patient man.
until I see what I want to see. Yeah, I'm not taking anything.
Oh. Gold respected support. I think if you see a 30-minute candle closing at right here, and then the next one break the previous high, you could get into gold. So gold buys. I was about to say sells. Gold buys, I mean.
Yeah, and if it breaks that support, then it's gonna create a lower low.
Yeah.
We can just see how that 250 is being respected hugely, man.
Yep.
But like, you know, lower time frames, it's just rejecting and rejecting, you know. So we've done that in Asia session, pre-London. You know, we'll see. Maybe the London will do the push.
Yeah, the thing is, if we start breaking some structure like 250, the levels down below at 219, 220, you know, 170, I'm expecting those to break.
Yeah. It would make completely sense, you know, because with the volume, we're gonna break those minor supports. But this 250 is not such a minor support, right? It's a strong level that holds at this very point, because we've been like, you know, we're rejecting this sort of area numerous times in Asia now, and you want to break that through. And once we break that through and close below, all those minor supports, the left will be broken.
Yep. Because then it's just break of structure, and then you can just expect price to start moving.
Yeah.
I mean, at the end of the day, the boys that trade trend lines, they should already be in, I think. Because, let's say, if you trade trend lines, already breaking that structure.
Man, I think you drew through the candles.
Yeah,
man.
yeah, 1 second. Let me fix
I think you're
this.
supposed to go to the wicks now.
The wicks? No, it depends. This shit is good, man. Everyone does their own style, you know.
Slap a Fibonacci on there.
Yeah, slap a
It is
Fibby
what
on it,
it
and then
is.
you're good.
Yeah.
Gucci.
Make sure you get the pitchfork as well.
Yeah. If, let me get my. Yeah, I think based on this
Hiroshima.
analysis, we're gonna go down to 149.745 in about 45 minutes. No.
You know, you might be correct though.
Yeah, I might be correct. No joke.
I just went to get breakfast. I come back and see like trend lines, stuff like that. I was like, ooh, what's going on here?
It's a new course.
Yeah, new course. And
New
soon we're gonna
concepts.
start with next level Fibonacci's.
How to get a 99% win rate.
Oof. Boy, you missing that 1%, man. That's poor, BF.
Yeah, that's I got a 102% now.
Yeah.
Hold up, what's going on here? Yeah, I think I used these Fibonacci's before, and they're spiral Fibonacci. What the fuck is this?
You know, the price doesn't just go down or up. It goes, you know, sideways.
Yeah, this is gonna go like
Yeah.
yeah, Illuminati. Looks like a bit like a triangle though. Sunset Dream Ting. Yeah, when our close blow, I'm gonna take a sell.
Yeah, GG's gonna drop now, mate. Watch.
Yo, great vibes, Luca and Recipe. Please take a look at my chart. Yeah, sure. Sure, man.
The best would be a close where it is now, like a retest top wick
Yeah.
280 level, and after will drop to 175, about 180.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty good, man. But I would be careful with these buys. It's a little bit more of a safer option. That's pretty good. Yeah, yeah, albino. Oh, gold. Playing games with people.
Yeah, let's see if we waiting for this 30-minute to close below support.
Yeah, this might drop back inside the range and go all the way down to 7.774. Miss Trump, yeah, then gold was moving.
Yeah, I wish I traded back then.
I did. mad.
Biden's gonna make it real hard for us.
Let's not talk about him. You know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Like, you're talking about politics. Bye, subscribers. Yeah, it wasn't about that, but it was funny that exactly that happened when we talked about Biden.
Yeah.
I think if you watch The Simpsons, that's gonna happen.
Which episode?
I don't know, man.
Or yeah, they announced Trump as that he would be the president. So
yeah, and the next one, the next president is there's a lot of weird shit in that. They predict the future. Hey guys, what do you think about INSHF? Got no idea what that is, man. To be honest with you. No, I don't think so. Buying momentum. Nah.
Man, DJ is just a huge fuckery, man.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm so bored, man. Oh no, nothing, man.
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
doing anything, but it's just boring, man.
Yeah.
I mean, it tried to break out, I think 2 times now.
Yeah.
3, 2.
But I
2
think
times?
if we have a 1 hour close below, I might wait for a wake up and then cheeky
below
entry.
what? 270 or 250?
Nah, I'm more looking 250-ish.
Yeah.
Because 250 is looking like a bitch.
It's the 4 hour
So yeah.
week too.
We are rejecting huge.
Or what I would, there's 2 possibilities right now in this situation. Let me explain. And
go on then, babes.
or we close like this with the 1 hour below structure and just above 250, make a wake up, not in straight away, and then break the 230 level lows. Or break below and break and close below 250 with the 1 hour candle and just wait for a wake up and then bang.
And for buys, you're not looking at buys?
No. Mine's not fluid today. There's no clean range for me.
No.
I don't want to be in this dog
yeah,
shit.
it's nasty. It's nasty. On a 4 hour, it's nasty there.
I would take buys above 150-900. That's still a long way to go, I can tell you.
Yeah, I would take around 900.
Yeah. Yo, what's the Chinese indicator saying? There's someone that has.
Go on, have a
link.
look. Have a little Pikachu.
Who has the link?
Oh, yeah, go livecharts.co.uk.
Oh, yeah.
My man's gonna go for margin run.
Got it.
TJ.
Got it.
It says pound is strong, yen is strong. So you gotta go click at the top, and then the currency strength meter, like right here.
Oh yeah.
JPY is stronger, so full margin, boys.
Yeah, USD is strong, so makes sense for gold to go down. That's a good confluence.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, because I'm looking for sells, and if USD is strong, then gold should go down.
Yeah, I think if gold closes with a 1 hour below, I think you could take some good sells.
Yeah.
But I think what you want to see is a 1 hour close below 80.
Exactly, a 30-minute close below this 30-minute support.
Yeah.
And there you got clean traffic to the left with volume. 15 minutes should and will break.
Yep. Yeah, I think so too. Let me get some boys on the camera thing. Man, like Master P is on.
Awesome.
Hey guys, are you Regibank students? Yes, we are. GT's looking for gold. Okay. Let's put some new songs on right here. Silky Smooth for audio hertz. This one is pretty sick though. I like it.
Yeah, GJ doing some nasty stuff.
How far did you need to go, Master, yesterday to Luke's?
Oh, he first went to. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna say anything.
Oh yeah, to the ladies' room.
Yeah, to the psychology lady, and then I stopped by Luke. It was like some something like 100 kilometers in total.
Oh, okay, fair
That's
enough.
nothing.
Yeah, it's
like it's far, but it's alright.
Man even met my father.
Yeah, I saw his new house. It's beautiful. It's,
yeah, it looks really nice, to be honest.
Yeah, location is cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Can you swim in that lake?
Yeah, man.
Or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Swimmable, yes. Like it's a river. It's like a river.
Okay.
You have to buy a jet ski.
Yeah, that was. I'm looking to get my my license for sailing, or what the fuck it's called, driving a boat.
Yeah, that's cool.
Man's gonna be the sailor, Luke.
Trading live on the water, like the beach in the back. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't live there myself though.
Yeah, but that's really nice location, man. Beautiful views.
Yeah, it's thick, and then in the summer there's a lot of people out with boats, stuff. You know, it's pretty cool.
Gonna take me out for a spin?
Yeah, sure.
It's gotta be our meeting spot over there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's, and you have like a place to lay your boats on as well, so yeah, it's all good.
The barbecues in the summer must be fire there.
Yeah, you got enough place for that. But man, like Augustus, you can cross the
man, I can swim through the ocean for you, man.
Yeah, and you swim right into the port, and then you come there. You're able to come to my house from there. Yeah. Swimming all the way. No joke.
Man, honestly, a flight, half an hour, and I'm there.
Yeah, but swimming is good for you, man. You get a little bit pumped up, you know. Man, like pumped up. With the broken leg, you can't walk, so swimming is the option, you know.
Man's gonna find some sharks on the way.
Bang! Man's got them guns.
I'll bring you a souvenir.
A fish for the barbecue, man.
I think there's some stuff on gold.
Yeah, exactly. Gold sales are coming in. We've got the London Open in 3 minutes.
Ooh. So, GJ is looking like a bitch.
Yeah, we can watch gold.
Yeah, I might maybe execute on gold. To be honest with you.
It just makes sense.
It makes a lot of sense. And not with the one lot. We ain't gonna do that.
We're gonna do 2 lot.
Huh? 2 lot? I mean, if that fits your style. With a 1 pip stop loss. No drawdown, it would work.
Let's see. I would wait for the low to break though, but I might. If it breaks with no, I don't know. We'll have to see. I might be more take it more fast, even if it doesn't create a top wick, because it did a fake out. So it might just.
I don't know. Bear in mind, guys, like 1780 level.
1780.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh no, on 1 hour. Just have a little peek.
Right to the left.
Yeah. So I don't know. I would be.
It needs to. That's what I said. It needs to close below 80 before. So for me to get an entry, or it's gonna make a wick
because
up and then break below and then go down. That's
it might be a retest, you know, sort of like because we made the new high and then we're coming back on the hourly.
True.
Just retest that level for us to push further up. So
the thing is, if you look on the 4 hour, it's ranging, right, and it didn't close above. So that thing up, the new high, was just a wick up for the 4 hour. And yeah, that 80 level that you said, it's a pretty good call, because I'm looking at the most recent one, but there is some.
I'm always looking at the recent ones as well, but it's just it stopped at that point really hard. So
14 seconds left. Price closing above 80. Let's take a look.
I mean, if the candle can probably show you that it's leaving that way, yeah, maybe that would be a good indication.
Yeah, at this point, it's kind of closing too close to the support.
Holy! See you later. But now, if it comes back, then it's.
Yeah, I think once it breaks the low, you can have your stop loss above the current high and just ride it.
That's a big stop, no?
No, because it's 80 and this is.
Oh no, it's alright.
It's like 13, 14.
GG's killing sellers, man.
Oh, is it? Oh my God, GJ is a beast.
That 1 hour spent its whole time bearish, and in the last minute.
Yeah, but that's what you see lately on GJ. Like, it's also with sells or buys. You're gonna be, if you're gonna take a sell or a buy on a 1 hour time frame, it's the last 5 minutes you're gonna move. The rest 55 minutes not gonna do shit, and then last 5 minutes just gonna move.
But let's see if it's just a fake out for it to now push down or not.
Yeah.
But it's the 1 hour is tricky.
Yeah, for buys, I just want to see a target created. I might not even trade today.
Always. Would you get in once it breaks a low? Probably.
I'd wait for the low.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. Waiting for the low right now to break, because it respected the previous 50-minute high. If you look, now you're gonna.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, if it breaks the low, I think you got clean move. Then, to be honest.
Yeah, till 77, at least.
Yeah, I was thinking of doing it once it flipped bearish, but then it's a little too soon, and I don't want to do it too soon. The low is still a pretty good entry.
Yeah, I mean, you should be good.
Created a healthy top wick. Sort of. Yeah, more
I think GJ is still going to go down, but
just be careful of 4 hours still open, guys.
What's GJ doing? Yeah, 4 hours.
It rejected.
It is selling into
it's
a pretty
sitting at that 4 hour resistance, guys.
Yeah,
4 hours is at the resistance there, right there. So
makes sense.
And what Augustus said, 1 hour could also be making a support now to retest high and continue moving further up. There's many situations, but if price gonna break levels, I might still take a sell to maybe go to 77 inside the range.
And that's where GJ.
1 hour made bottom wick and the 2 hour made bottom wick, so just be careful.
My finger is on the trigger. I'm telling you right now. Oh, gold.
Oh yeah.
Men's ready, but let me look. Yeah, we're good.
Okay, yeah.
I don't like the fact that it's breaking the 50-minute high right now. So I don't know if I'm going to get in once it breaks down. What I do might want to see is a resistance form in a 5-minute, but it's already flying up this hard. So I think sellers are soon out the window. Let's take a look. Let's put some music on.
You're gonna want to see where this 4-hour closes, and then New York, if it can close
There's
above,
a lot of light. Here we go.
push up.
Oh man, go away. There you go. Remove. What's your thought on Euro NZD? Let me take a look soon.
So 1 hour is gonna keep going up straight.
Yeah. Oh damn, son.
Oh, it's
Damn,
Damn, son.
in buys.
damn, Daniel.
In buys machine.
I already am like I had two positions.
He was already, yeah, he was already in.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I was
Nice.
already.
Good morning, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, man.
What is he talking about?
Let's take a
Nigerian
look at Euro NZD for a second. Question in the chat.
Nigerian GG buys?
No, gold.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was in gold buys before the session
Oh, yeah,
already
before
started.
the stream.
Ah,
Let's
funny
take a look.
GG.
Oh, Euro NZD is a little bit of a range right now. Yeah, this is some sort of a very strong zone for sellers. Oh, that's pretty ugly. Yeah, I would start looking for buys. Even though we're going bearish now. If for sells, I would look for sells below here. Yeah, or below this level to fill this wick. I mean, momentum is still bearish, but as you can see, last weekly candle closed bullish, might be making a wick down now. And this is a rejection zone based on the weekly time frame. Here you see rejection zone based on the weekly time frame. It's rejecting these top wicks right here. This. So I think buys are soon gonna get into play if you see strong candles close bullish with you. Even this daily respected support. I mean, what I think you can do. This line is not. This line is from there from the past. Yeah. See. Price is starting to form bullish. This candle rejected support. Even though this is a rejection candle as well, because the wick is larger than the body, this candle did respect the support. It rejected the support and sort of respected it as well. So I think what you could probably wait for is for price to start closing bullish above this 1 hour level right here. And you have to still look out for that 30-minute level right here. You're expecting that to break once price starts closing above. So I think buys in between this zone and above are going to be perfect for you. And if you go look left for targets, you have a target right here. You have your target right here. And based on the 4-hour time frame, this is a very good target because this is a target where price could reject off. So yeah, personally I would look for buys and I would look for sells below here. Below this entire zone, and then you got clean traffic here to the left, moving further down, and then you can target levels like this right here. That would be my game plan if I was trading this pair. So then you have like a, what is this range? This is like a 25 pip range right here for you, clean traffic. And people might say, yeah, but why is that so low? You could also take these wicks into consideration, these candle bodies in the wicks, and maybe sell below there already. But make sure that you're not going to sell into a rejection zone. Based on buys, your target, let's say you would buy above the 30-minute support level, there's going to be 14 pips for you as first target, and second target is going to be 27 pips, so in total it's going to be a 40 pip target for you. Right, this 13, 14, yeah. Let's say 42, 43 pip target. So that would be my game plan on this pair if I would be trading it. I wouldn't want to be inside this range and just wait for price to either close below these wicks, the most recent wicks right here, or for a safer option, close below 642 for sells or buys above 298. That will be my game plan. I hope you like the explanation. So yeah, for GJ, I'm not looking for buys personally. I'm looking for sells. So I want to see candles break structure, the target levels down below. Based on gold, made a wick up on the 1 hour time frame. I think it looks pretty good still to go down.
Yeah, I've got a pending order on the 1 hour low.
That's what I thought. Yeah, I'm looking at that too.
Yeah, just a 10 pip stop loss and seeing if volume can push it down.
Yeah.
Still London open after all. 4 hour rejected going higher.
Yeah, volume coming in soon.
It's in a range.
I'm only going to use a little bit of a smaller lot because I haven't traded gold for so long.
Yeah, that's true. Created a very, very healthy top wick. So now if it breaks the
low, GJ did a U-turn as well.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah.
Now, if this 15-minute doesn't close too bearish, you can expect a top wick, a break of the previous 15-minute wick for it to keep going down and fill that wick in the 1 hour. At least that's my thoughts now. And I would take this, but I'll take it with 0.5% risk for my second trade.
Put some music back on.
Once you get that bearish push on GJ breaking this trend line, it's gonna leak.
What do you say?
He was talking about the trend line.
there's a trend line on the 1 hour.
Yeah, Luke called it out.
Luke was in already, mate.
Yeah, and once it breaks that, it's gonna leak. So I'm already looking for entries because it's at a 50% retracement on the fib, plus the 150-500 QP level is kind of drawing near it, but it hasn't tapped it yet. So
I'm gonna try and do my best on making one. I think this is my trend line.
I don't know. Let me open up Zoom.
Hey, Luke looks clean,
Yeah, I think it looks good, for someone that never writes trend lines down.
I do my trend lines from the wicks.
Okay, yeah. So you look more like this. Wait, let me adjust this.
Just like that.
Just like that. Don't move. There you go.
Man's a pro.
Man's a pro. Some people do it just on the candles as well, right?
Yeah, some people do bodies, some people do wigs. It's all a visual representation of how you want to see it,
Yeah.
Cool. That's the thing. That's why I don't use them, because I feel like sometimes you're just going to draw them like how you would want them to see, but not actually how the market is going to do it.
I always draw them the same, but I just use them for steep climbs like this. It's not healthy. You got this one big push, and you got the choppy climb. That's never healthy. Something's happening here. I think we're about to go downtown.
Gold looks pretty.
Ready?
Let's see on a 5-minute time frame. I made some sort of a resistance. Yeah. Gold.
Yeah, and that 5-minute pullback, it makes sense. I've seen that before, and then the next one breaks the low and just keeps on going down.
Yeah.
For sales.
I think you've seen that on GJ yesterday when we ended this YouTube stream, and there was that sell on GJ that you wanted to take. But
by the way, I'm gonna take this on a small lot because I haven't traded gold for a while. So for the people that are gonna be jumping in with big lots, you better know what you're doing.
I'm using my standard 30-cent lot.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
Gold is lovely when you catch pips on that and it starts leaking or starts skyrocketing. Just see your money just triple, quadruple. It's so fast. It's crazy. You get it.
Yeah. I'm holding this because I'm looking for like 10, 20 pip targets at least.
Yeah, looking to secure the full bag at 16 pips, which is the next 15-minute support at 1778. Exactly.
Yeah.
Honestly, if you break this 4 hour struck, or if you break this 1 hour previous candle, you could come all the way down, man.
Yeah, exactly. 1774.
Easy.
Like that.
Yeah, I'm looking 7776. Based on this level in the 30-minute, it's pretty much the same as yours. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, never mind. Low bank, you don't use trend lines, yes, but I don't give a fuck what banks you use.
Why is people so, what's the word I'm looking for? So hyped up about banks, you know? You're never gonna work in a bank and you're never gonna know what a bank does. So get off the bank's dick.
Oh, yo, relax.
Like Ted was saying that banks just look at the price, they drive the price to one point or the other, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it. And you gotta be, you know,
they don't look at the candles, they don't look at the hollow shit and that.
Exactly.
They don't look at price. Like what?
They drive the price. If they want a GJ to be at 152, it's gonna be 152.
Yeah, it's gonna go there. Yeah, you know.
So
they're just pumping that money thing in, you know.
It's like, oh, trade like institutions. I get lost, honestly.
Come on, man.
Institutional trading. If you would be institutional, you'd be pumping in 7 billion inside of GJ now.
For real.
Everyone over leverage. Let's push it. Let's push this thing. Yeah, banks are criminals. That's true, Wendy.
I don't see
exactly
a nice
all
entry
criminals
point for GJ, man.
I do. I see a very good entry point on. Oh wait, on gold. I mean, on GJ I don't. I'm sorry.
GJ's a little. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait.
I like the fact that this 15 closed bullish on the gold.
I'll be back.
Weak as well.
What?
Weak bullish below resistance.
Yeah. So once it starts breaking soon, we got, because as well, if you look on this one, this is the most recent support inside the zone. It tapped exactly against it. So might make a wake up and then start coming down. And once it start breaking 1779.60, gonna be entries for me. Because I do want to sell below the 1 hour low and not that 15-minute low.
GJ somersaults.
Yeah, GJ is acting like a
that word
today.
Yeah. It's acting like that word, man. It's just boring, man. Honestly, like it has no directional bias. It's moving up and down between what, 20 pip range?
Yeah, around that.
So
yeah, 20, 15, 20 pip range.
Yeah, so what can you do? Nothing.
Nothing. And people are like, oh, where can I buy and sell now? No. You gotta be patient. Otherwise, you're gonna hit yourself on the same rock every time, like a donkey.
Mate, it's ridiculous, honestly, man. GJ, I think we're not gonna see any move until New York.
Let me scan this barcode on the 15-minute time frame.
Man's gonna buy some jeans and Zara.
Yeah, man's gonna buy some 4-pound coffee. Yeah.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Let's see. Yo, guys, push those subscribers to 4,500. Come on. We need 25 for 4,500. And at 5,000, I said it before, we're coming close, so I'm gonna mention it more. At 5,000, there's going to be 2 magic key giveaways. 2 magic keys are going to be given away to people in the gulag. So you guys in the chat. And people are now asking straight away soon, what's the challenge going to be? The challenge is going to be the best chart. So I want to see charts that are marked up like crazy. Like, Master P, send me a chart. I want to show them.
Yeah, let me get a chart over here.
Yes.
Got this one from my yesterday trade.
Let's get that chart coming in.
Now you're going to get charts that look like mine in about a week's time.
Yes. Like this. I want to see shit like this. And then they're going to go on the leaderboard. And the top whatever people are going to participate. And they're going to be chosen on the best chart by like some, what's it called? One of those machines that automatically chooses a name on which all you fill in.
Oh, yeah, like a spinning wheel.
Yeah, like a spinning wheel. Yeah. And we're gonna do that twice because there are too many keys. So yeah, push that number to 5K, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, we're 30 subscribers. No, now 20 subscribers shy of 4.5K. So guys, smash
now we need
that.
another 500 after, but
Yeah.
Oh, but that's okay, man.
Yeah,
we're nearly there, man.
Targets.
Pretty good. Or it's gonna be this week or next week. We're gonna hit 5,000, and then the week after is gonna be the week of the challenge of all the charts. And I want to see some good charts, no dumbass charts.
It still blows my mind that we've been like 2 months ago, 17, viewers a day.
Yeah.
Dr. Grimm, yeah, I was thinking about the voting thing, but you can manipulate that really fast. So it's like the people who are here in the Zoom are gonna say, "Is this a good chart? Is it in the top 10? Yes or no?" We're gonna put it in the top 10 or the top 20, top 30, or whatever. How many we're gonna put in the top whatever, and then see what happens.
I'm gonna go back to the gulag, man, to win that shit.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. How you doing?
Yeah, pretty good, man. What about you?
Good.
So Lauren, to you. Do you already have any charts saved? No, it's gonna be from that week. It's gonna be all charts from that week, and no past charts. I don't want to see charts from the past. I want to see charts from that moment on. No past charts. I can pull out past charts as well.
Yeah.
So I want to see real-time charts.
Yeah, I cancelled my sell stop on gold at this point because it's taking a little longer than I like, and I think it's going to move in New York. New York is going to do the move. So today's probably going to be a no trade day. It's looking like.
No trade day is always a winning day.
GJ is still looking like it's going to go down. It's just taking a lot of time and doing some weird stuff.
Yeah, it's just printing barcodes right now. Look at what it's doing on all those time frames. It's just fleecing people. Like Bank tries to break out on the top, tries to break out on bottom. It's like GJ doesn't know what it wants to do. GJ in a nutshell, right there for you. How does one get access to the gulag? Well, you're already in the gulag.
Gulag. Heck.
So the gulag is a YouTube chat for the people that don't know. Don't take it too serious.
Wanna know what the Zoom chat is called?
No.
Say.
No. No, don't. Man.
No. Okay.
Chill out.
A lot of my DMs
That's
was
too
that.
much. That's too much.
I'll slide it in your DM.
Gold is about to make up.
Goldie.
Close above the 1 hour resistance.
Yep. It's a tricky situation on gold. I mean, if it broke the 1 hour low, I would be in sales 100%. But
yeah, me too.
Buys are still in the game for me too, to be honest. Buys are still in the game. And I forgot to look at chart. Wait, I skipped buys chart, I think. Yeah, trading die. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh, I'm so blind. That's not even the chart. Remove those Chinese indicator stuff. What's the gold breakout? Was gold breakout a fake out earlier? Yeah, you can pretty much call it that based on like a 30-minute time frame, but the 30-minute hasn't closed yet. So yeah, maybe consider the fake out. But on the top we also made a fake out. So because it got out and closed back inside, so it faked out the first time, now it faked out to bottom side. So it's pretty much in this small little range right now.
See, I want to take a sell on GJ, but it's too, I don't know, man.
It's a little bit, it's ugly, man. I would be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we got
me
a
too.
game plan of someone. Let's take a look.
Like looking at it now, we'd want like 15 minutes to be bullish, create that support, and after the break in the next 15 minutes. That would be better than what it's doing now.
Oh, wrong chart, I think. There's a couple things wrong inside this chart. No, this is oh, I did it wrong. I understand, yeah, fine. No worries. Oh, it's the wrong one. Why did it put that between? Oh my god. Is it? Why is it making those extra things? This should be good. Yes. Fix it. Put this bit to the side. Oh, why did I put the back? There we go. Range. Yeah, I'm looking at the same buy spot. This is exactly the spot I would buy. Sells same spot or a little bit above. So pretty good game plan, man. I like it. It's clear. Pretty good, man. Perfect. Same buy spot. I wouldn't buy in this entire trashy zone. So pretty good, man. Ooh. I got no idea, man. Elior. No idea.
No, I have a feeling GJ is about to give us one more spike to the upside, grab some liquidity, and then go downtown.
I think it already did that. This candle.
My move is this 15-minute close bullish, and after break of the wick, and I'm in.
I'm gonna be careful when I see closes below because I've seen too many rejections now. And once you start seeing many rejections, I think it's best to wait for a candle to close.
I'm already in the sell. I took like 1/3 of my full position. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna scale in on this trade once I see proper. Because this is just jibber jab.
Yeah. People, if you don't understand this trade, don't get in. I'm not in myself.
I mean, it's not high probability trades, that's for sure.
Yeah, so if you don't understand, this is...
Yeah, don't do that shit if you don't know what you're doing, man.
Yeah.
Gonna get smacked listening to me or someone else.
Yeah, you gotta listen to yourself.
Gotta follow your own plan, man.
It is what it is.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I'm taking it down to the next 4-hour support / resistance. That's gonna be my TP.
Ooh.
Look,
are you going to wait for me?
That's
a
weird chart right there.
Probably not.
There we go, baby. Let's go, GJ. Now break that trend line and then we out of there, buddy. And I'm gonna have to scale in on you somewhere.
Yeah, nice.
It's not done yet. I'm only up, what, 5 pips?
Yeah, but now I think I'm not going to get my entry. Too bad.
Well, you can wait for candles to close below 250. You might not get the
Yeah, but my TP was
same
like
entry.
230. It was the whip fill.
Yeah.
Have to see where it's going to close this 15 minutes.
I see the portfolios, VT, Hollow.
Yeah, Hollow's going up, man. Yeah.
You know, I got paid today. I was like, man, should I buy at 15 or should I buy right now at what the price is right now? Or I'm like, nah, I'm waiting for that dip.
Yeah, I bought at 8 cents, dude.
Yeah, I bought at 8 cents. I have positions at 9 cents. I have positions at 16 cents.
Yeah, I saw it going down.
Positions
I'm
at
like,
13 cents.
Let me get some of that cake. And that.
Yeah, bro.
I bought the other to the IQ and MBO, and I'm like far up on that one. Like far up. Like, yeah, man. Like 70% or something.
You stake your coins?
What?
You stake your coins?
Oh, you mean that's like sort of lending, right? Or borrowing?
No,
right?
it's like you make the coins. I don't know what it is precisely, but you make the coins work for you, and you get like percentages of the coin, and you get like a yearly. I would do that with Cardano. You get a shit ton of Cardano, bro.
I don't have Cardano anymore.
I do.
Yeah, pretty good coin, but I have it somewhere here. List. Yeah, here. It's hanging around that price constantly.
Ooh, can we break?
I think an entry could have been 80 cents.
There's no entry for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for candles to close, so that's an easy game for me. Gold sells are out of the window for me right now.
Gold sells are giving us a really hard time.
Yeah.
Also, gold buys really hard.
This would be way too risky. I'm not trying that.
Oh,
we're gonna break.
Back on.
We're gonna break. I'm watching the 5-minute. If I see anything I don't like, ooh wee.
I just want a bullish candle on the 15 minutes so I can enter.
Merci beaucoup.
Fuck.
How is it?
No more bullish candles, man.
Now
sorry.
You know.
Everything's gonna print red now. Sorry,
yeah,
bro.
it's possible. No, it's 100% possible.
No, it's because I'm in this cell, man. Stop jinxing me. You find your entry somewhere else.
Wait, you're in from like 350, right?
My entry is
shit
337.
I'm
up 7.5 pips. 7.6, 7.4, 7.3,
nice.
7.2, 7.8.
Man's calling the numbers. Euro NCD, we did that before. You're a little bit late, man. Come on, man. Come on.
Don't wake back. Don't wake back.
I think I'm waiting for a close below and then get a nice entry thing, you know. I'll show you. I think price above here 300 and sells below at least 817 or 640. Oh shit. No, that's the game plan. I did this entire thing already. Rewind it and look back at it. Oh man, GJ dropping. You're at 10 pips. You hit 10 pips already.
I don't collect 10 pips.
Yeah, I know.
Sometimes it really just all depends on my mood. But I see on the 4-hour this has a lot of potential.
I see some people only sending this part of the chart of the name. Yeah, what you need to do is take a screenshot and then go to the right and from the slash and the accent slash do this entire part.
Sheesh.
Then I can just paste it.
Yeah, maybe I should have entered at the break of the first 15-minute low, but I didn't feel comfortable on that.
Yeah.
The wicks are just huge to the upside.
I mean, entry could have been on that 30-minute low, yeah. But it's still closed above, so it's not my game.
Yeah, but my target was like the 1 hour wick fail.
What was about to break down?
Yeah, that cancelled my sell stop though.
Yeah.
Ooh, should
I mean, if it's gonna break, it's gonna. I think it's still gonna go maybe, because it fully engulfed this entire bullish candle. So engulfed that candle.
Yeah, if it formed a new support, I might want to see a candle close below that support rather than taking an impulse sell on the low. So I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close below the most recent support over there. But yeah, there's a chance I might just miss it.
Yeah.
But that's gonna be worth it. It'll be worth it waiting for it to close.
Worth it.
For the Cowboys, you guys probably gonna take it here on the break of the 1 hour low.
Yeah.
Maybe even on the break of the previous 15-minute low. That's already 7 pips.
Come on, GJ, what are you doing, buddy?
Hey, look, why not mark 150, 270 as a support level? Nah, I'm looking for that to break if we start going down. Not into that. Josh, look, how long have you been trading? Like September or October 2019.
What's the Gulag gonna do about this gold situation here?
Yes,
gonna take
tell
sells,
us.
take buys.
Tell us.
Give us the signals.
Yes.
Man, I swear, GJ.
Are you in?
Why you gotta be a range? No, of course not. I told you.
Yeah,
man. I was waiting for a close.
That makes sense.
Because if I would be in, for example, right, the next support is at 250. So I want to see a candle closing below 250, sort of anticipating with volume to break that 215 level.
Yeah.
You know, because I would be selling straight away into another support, and that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense if you're gonna wait for that.
Yeah, but GG's, what you do, man? Honestly, today.
Yeah, this GJ's on crack. I got my stop at break even.
Man, I was expecting some volume because of interest rates of LVN.
Yeah, nothing.
Or it's gonna go, or it's gonna go, or it's gonna stop me out and I get a better entry. You know.
Yeah, but the fact that already filled that 1 hour wick to the T is
crazy,
some scary. Yeah, some scary too.
I mean, it makes sense for him to go down, right? But it just doesn't want to.
What's the tax rate for Forex in the Netherlands? Now at the moment it's like you got 3 boxes and it's in box 3, so it's like they over your capital they take 4%, and over that 4% you'd pay 30%. So it's really low. So let's say overall you pay like 1.2, 1.8, 1.2% I think overall. And they're gonna change it soon, so it's gonna be based on your growth, so how much you made, and it's gonna be probably a pretty high percentage where you're not gonna be happy with.
Unless you're like me.
Yeah, the two parties that won, they both want to raise those taxes.
Dumbasses. You know, it's funny, one of the political parties here, I forget which one, they say, you know, they want to increase the salaries for people that work in healthcare, that work in this and that, you know, that do the manual labor and things like that. But at the same time, they want to increase taxes.
Yeah,
so it's
it's like,
get
out of here.
Let's get these guys to earn more money and bring them into a higher tax bracket and then tax them even more so that they have the same money at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they think they earn more.
Yeah, it's like an illusion.
It's stupid. They're
Man,
just
they play
all.
games all
Yeah,
over.
they're playing games. They're 100% playing games.
I was talking to this person and she was like, "Oh yeah, you know, this party's pretty good. They want to increase salaries in my sector." And I'm like, "But they also want to increase taxes."
Yeah, so they're gonna be like, "Oh, give me that money."
Yeah.
They're like,
Hey, yo.
they're picking up your money. People are stupid.
Master P, did you go yesterday to Rotterdam?
Oh yeah, it was
Yeah.
we got some burgers.
Trust you did.
Okay.
It was pretty good, man.
You was in Rotterdam kicking it, huh? I'm just playing.
Next time you gotta go to Valkenburg with Luke, me, you.
Yeah, let's hit the casino.
Yeah, it's good.
You're gonna see the devil in me.
That casino is spooky, man.
Throw money on the roulette table, man.
Man's gonna shout at Trade GG, man.
Nah, I actually don't like to gamble, to be honest. I like to play poker, but not with like a lot of money, just with like friends, you know? Like 20 bucks, 30 bucks. Yeah, something like that.
Choo. 19%.
Hey, Ricardo's not been here.
Oh, damn. Where do you live, Casper? Where do you live? I want to know where you live.
There you have your gold breakdown, guys.
Man, I have a congratulations for the people that did not touch GJ today.
True.
I mean, apart from Frank and getting in the nice trade, you know, because it was planned one. But apart from that, and Guala, yeah, he's on this case as well.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped at break even anyway. So
yeah, so you can't. But I think in a gulag, people definitely tried to sell and buy once the 15-minute got broken, the lows and the highs.
Goulash.
Goulash, wow.
Goulash shit. It's just nasty.
Welcome
Gigi
to
coming
the
back
Gulag.
again.
In your freedom.
Yeah, GJ about to stop me out, Berkey, that's okay.
I think GJ is gonna move in 20 minutes, man.
I have to find a better entry anyway. I didn't like that entry, but now I see there's a lot of selling pressure. Can only use that to my advantage.
Gonna look at the charts in a second. Yeah, Poland. Oh, damn. That's pretty low tax. That's pretty low tax. Let's see. Joshy's in the chart. Josh. Oh, wait. What did I just do? No, go back.
Oh wow, it doesn't even want to stop me out. GJ don't want my money. GJ don't want my money. What's now? Pow! Gotcha.
Yeah. Jinx it.
I always win. Yeah, there you go. Boom. It said, "Give me that. Give me that money."
Man, this whole month of April, I swear, man, absolutely shocking.
It's trash. Yeah.
It's just, mate.
And people asking why I'm not taking trades. That's the reason why I'm not taking trades, man. Come on.
Man, 3 weeks of ranging, man. Mate.
Yeah. Big outs. Yeah.
It
Ugly
is
range.
what it is.
It is what it is,
what
man.
it is,
Where
bro.
in the GMAT?
I am here.
How are you, man?
Good. I'm just looking at the DJ, and DJ for me to go down, it has to break the loud resistance in 1 hour and close below.
Yeah.
That's when I start looking for sells.
Gold 2 is now moving today a lot.
Yeah,
What you
Mercure
said,
made a
Michael?
lot of percent this month, but New York is moving a lot better than London lately. Like
Yeah, gold.
it's always you know turning around. Or London is moving like a train, and then New York is like boring. Or it's gonna be a long time the other way around, where New York is moving very nice and London is moving trash. Like certain times in the year feels like. Because I see it happening over and over again.
Or sometimes the Asian took the whole, profits in that.
Yeah. You know the vibe and that.
There's too many rejections on the 4 hour, man.
I mean, the 4 just made its top and bottom wick, and it hasn't gone
anywhere. It's just like, well, we're gonna
15 minutes
right
about
here.
to close on GJ. 30 seconds. Hopefully it closes below that level and then makes top wick and then you know the vibe.
Yeah, I'm looking to see that.
I got my finger on the trigger on the entire time already. No joke.
Yeah, it's been an hour.
I'm holding my magic keys. But it does have to close with a wick, otherwise I'm not gonna get in.
Of course.
It's when it closes the high.
What?
You're gonna buy when it closes?
No.
It breaks the high.
No.
Oh, I thought you said that. My bad.
I think they speaking about gold now.
Yeah.
Oh, my
Talking
bad.
about gold.
Yeah, I'm probably not looking
I'm not in.
to take an entry. No.
I'm not in.
Not the way this 15-minute is going.
Well, first. I want to see a bigger top wick.
Yeah. It's breaking the 1 hour low, towards the second half of the candle, but the way it did it on the 15-minute, that's a no-go. I think your just best bet is gonna be to wait for buys in New York to play out, because on the daily, this thing is gonna go to the moon. To the moon at 1794, technically speaking, but who knows?
If it made a top wick with that momentum up, I would have entered. I think.
Yeah, I think on the 1 hour, it can still play out if you have your stops in the range and you had a stop below and it got triggered. It can still play out, but I wouldn't want to be in it.
I think the people that are in it should be good now.
It's a good learning opportunity to watch.
I wanted to press the button, but
yeah.
Once it hit 50, but it is what it is. It's a delicate situation because that 15-minute time frame didn't do what I like.
Mm-hmm.
If I had a higher top wick, I think I would have jumped in.
Yeah, now this trade is like 5 pips in profit, 6 pips, and you had like maybe 3 pip drawdown. If price starts, like this is where if price starts coming back to break even, I'd close 60-70% of my position on the gold.
Yeah.
If it goes a couple more pips, then you'd put stop loss at break even, and then take profit 20 pips.
Oh man, why didn't I press the button?
It was sketchy.
Yeah, sketchy.
Boom, so there it goes.
There it goes.
Both sales are 10 pips. There's clean traffic to the left. Look, remember, clean traffic. And
I got... yeah.
Guys, you should have entered on a 5-minute, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that 5-minute was juicy.
Yeah, that 5 was fire.
Yeah. I got... Oh, talk myself out a little bit. Doesn't matter.
Come on, boys. Shit. Free money and that.
Delicate situation.
You got in, Augustus?
Nah, don't trade gold.
Okay.
Nice one, Master P.
Thank you.
He making money off your calling. No, I'm just playing. No, it's messed up.
I think Tom is probably looking for buys on gold based on the daily time frame.
Nah, I don't trade gold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the daily time frame looks like it's about to go to the moon, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Or it might even just engulf the whole damn thing here. You know what I mean?
It already
And
did.
just keep going down. No, I'm talking on the daily. Oh, on the daily.
I already did the body, the wicked, and I think if you're in sell, you should be good. Oh man, I didn't press button, took myself out a little bit.
Yeah, no worries. It wasn't that clean.
Yeah, that's true. And at the end of the day, look at the top wick and that 15. If it made a top wick to like 20, that would have been perfect.
Yeah, because that's the thing. The way this 15-minute opened, it opened with no top wick and went straight to break the 1 hour low, and then it retraced, and then it went
That's why
down.
I didn't get in, you know. And once I saw it get back up, make that small wick, I was like,
Yeah, but in theory, the 1 hour broke its low in the second half, so having a stop loss above the range for 10 pips would have been, a sensible idea. Yeah. Looking on the 1 minute, look at the 1 minute, man. No, not even a 1 minute candle broke a high or anything.
Yeah.
Just went down in.
The thing is, if you see price, if you've seen that over and over again, you see price coming down and then without the top wick and then push back up again without any issue.
I mean, you might get the little one candle or the retest on like a 15-minute. You know, got the break. You might get the little pullback retest to keep going down, but I don't think so.
Perhaps.
I don't trust the 4 hour in gold. It can still wake up.
True.
GJ still acting like a. It's nasty. Yeah, gold's not moving like I wanted it to move too, because because it broke the low and you expect it to just start pumping down. Yeah, and it just went down only like 7 pips. You count from here, it's like 8 pips, but that's not going to be your entry. Your entry is probably going to be like 50, 55, only 8 pips. And
what's your entry on Master P?
Messi is not in.
I didn't take an entry.
Yeah.
Oh. But wait, my sell stop. Wait, where do I see my?
I actually had a sell stop too, but yeah, now it's moving. Now it should be at 10 pips.
Yeah, my sell stop was right at the 1779.60. Like right at the 1 hour low. That's 13 pips would have been. But that's okay. And this is like where people need to understand the different volume times and sessions. You know, for gold to move up, it had to be New York open, because you know it's in a range, and gold, when it's in a range in London, it's very, very low probability for it to break out during a London session. So once that 1 hour closed back in the range, it's gonna continue to range until a 4 hour candle closes above or below. Yeah. If this was a 30-minute, you wouldn't have been taking buys up there, right?
Yeah, the thing about man, it's moving.
Yeah.
The thing about this 15-minute candle is, first of all, it closed with a very small bottom wick, which I didn't like. Then it broke the low straight away in the first 10 seconds. Then it came up a little bit, made a little top wick down, and it started to go down again. I'm like, yeah, it just did a couple of things that I did not like. Once it started going down, I still questioning myself, do I want to get in, yes or no? There's a couple of things I don't like that are not in my plan. And just stayed out.
True.
Because at the end of the day, if you look at those wicks, they're not big at all. And what happens when there's no big wicks?
That's okay, because the idea was based off the 1 hour
breaking
100%. The low, right? So,
but based on lower time frames, if you see price closing in ways that you don't like, higher time frames don't make sense to execute on.
No, I think this did make sense to execute on, but I just overthought it.
Yeah, but what I want to say is that, let's say you get a 1 hour closing bearish and you're trying to trying to, let's say, sell the next one, but you see lower time frames not printing the way you want, then for me the trade gets invalid.
True, I see.
So yeah.
Yeah, but this situation it was pretty good.
100%.
Yeah, I think some
for
guys
me,
caught it.
the only thing is that I wanted to see a deeper wick down here, and at least a deeper wick up. Because that wick up and the way it broke in this first second I wasn't a fan.
Yeah, I think then that becomes we're a little too strict, right? Like we're putting a little too strict of a condition on the trade. If I just stuck with the sell stop below there, that would have been just easy, you know. No, like that would have just kept it super simple. The idea made sense, and 15 closed below. It might have had a little wick, but the 1 hour is still breaking the low in the second half. So I think that was the right condition to be focused on.
Yeah, this is true. The criteria did not appear for him. Confidence is key in a trade. Yes, exactly. I just didn't trust it that much because of that top wick. I mean, if the top wick was just a little bit bigger to like 15 or 10, that would have been a little bit bigger. 100% would have been in. 100%.
Yeah.
Because I had finger on the trigger for the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, true. Guys in the Gulag, if you caught gold sells today and avoided gold buys, make sure to leave a subscription. We are 10 subscribers away from 4.5k.
Yes.
It's going to be a nice milestone, so make sure to
Hey, Luke,
subscribe.
Question, please. How you determine which level to mark? And sometimes you guys don't mark certain levels and anticipating and they're going to break. I think that's all based on experience. If you start seeing certain level break, certain levels you don't see breaking, you can anticipate levels to be broken, like levels like these, or, you know. That's all based on experience. Just try and mark up your charts every time and see where your levels are making sense and where price is, you know, leaning towards or, you know, tapping constantly. And if you start understanding those prices, you can easily understand what levels are going to be crucial at the end of the day. Oh, GG breaking up inside the range.
TJ's weird, man. What the fudge?
Yeah, that doesn't make that much sense, but hey.
But hey,
the market is always right.
Who are we, right?
Exactly.
I'm like, why, bro? Look at this. Look at the previous candles.
Thank you, Josh and Mr. Yang for subscribing. Thank you.
You know what we did here? We overmanaged the trade before we can even enter.
No, I don't think so. For me, I'm good. I don't think so.
There's
For me,
Tom who sent the chart. It looks good.
Oh yeah, let's see.
He was right, like that's what you pointed out in Master P2.
Yeah, that's true. That could have been your top wick, 100%. But based on that 15-minute candle, I'm looking more at those 15-minute candles for wicks up. Even though that 5-minute made one, 100%, that would have been the top wick. But if you base it on 15-minute time frames, that 15 could make a top wick as well, because it's a higher time frame rather than that 5-minute. So, for me.
True.
I want.
Hey, where do you want to wake up? Like what price is a good wick for you?
What do you mean? A wick? I said around
the top wick.
Around 15 to this level right here.
Oh, right. Yeah, makes sense.
That 5-minute did that exactly, I think, or just a little bit above. But I wanted that 15 to wick up to this level, retest this level, and then continue moving further down.
Yeah.
That was my plan.
Yeah, they came down straight to that 16 pip target I had in mind.
Yeah. Exactly at that target.
Yeah.
That's like
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, confidence wasn't all too high with this one, but that's okay.
How many trades I did in this month? And look for you if you want.
But now looking at TzRzetHz, if it closes above like 435, then I think like all the sales are starting to go out the window. We could maybe see some buys coming in.
I'm looking to sell at 157.50 area ish.
Yeah, I mean, based on the higher time frames, my buys were sales, but like now it all depends where the 1 hour is going to close. But if it closes back in the range, then you could see maybe a top wick before going back down.
Oh
But
man, this guy needs to get out of here.
It's not closing above, so there's like the buys out of the window.
Yeah, I mean, GJ 20 seconds can make a big difference.
Yeah, true, man.
I made 17 trades this month.
That's pretty good.
Let's see. Ooh, we about to hit 4.5k. 3 subscribers left.
Oh, 3 subscribers only?
Yeah.
I'm about to go make another account. I'll be back.
So looking would close the 1 hour, now you want a top wick. And because it's not volume time, you would want a 15
Yes, there we go. 4.5 hit. Thank you guys.
Nice.
Oh, TP hit.
TP hit.
Let's get the horns.
Yes, 1 second.
Wow, you know what I see GJ doing now? Just crashing all the way down now. I swear, this gonna piss me off.
Yeah, just like a better top wick, a 15-minute close, back in resistance, and after enter once it breaks the low. That's mine. Yeah.
Is there another gold entry? Probably not at this point until it creates a resistance or a low.
I hate GJ.
Well, I'm not I'm conservative, but it's like the thing is that I just don't like price right now. This entire month, I don't like it. So I'm just being careful this month.
Nasty
things. People are like, oh, you want to buy it every second, you know, or sell it every second, even though there's so many things against them. You gotta know when there's risk and then when there's risk, you know? I think that's important. Thank you, Josh. Someone said TJ. An alien logo. That's emoji. Oh,
Hey, this little song in the background is lit, man.
Yeah, man, timpani beat, you know the vibe.
Yeah, man.
Oh, this is a pretty crazy trade inside the range. Next time, add some extra value, man, because the only thing we're seeing is a box, this line, and some lines where you got in and where your stop loss and take profit level is. So next time, add some extra value. Oh, time is flying in those streams, man. I think we're gonna see sells in New York on GJ.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 6180 on my fibs.
To be honest, it might push up to like, but the thing is, the range is just too small to take a buy.
Yeah.
Exactly. I see it coming to at least 700, 750 area.
Because basically, if you want to clear the highs of 474, your next target is in 6 pips. Is it really worth to buy?
I'd rather sell right now, but I'm not going to. Yeah, man, Rafik, you know the vibe. Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Wait, what?
Oh wow, look at that shit.
I still think, I don't know, actually.
Daniel, I love you, Luke, and Mr. Pete. Master Pete. Thank you, man. Love you too, man. Yeah, Marius, 4.5k. We're coming in hot. Real hot. No
Where's the guitar
at? Friday.
Friday.
Friday night.
And it's a beautiful day again today. I don't think I'm about to stay behind the charts a long time. I'm about to go.
Oh, there's some.
Hit up some homies, see if there's a barbecue active somewhere, you know?
There are clouds here, but...
Huh?
There's some clouds here, but...
Oh, it's perfect over here, man. It's crazy.
Gulag wanted the annotation of the gold cells for 15 pips.
Yes, because
they're there.
It was fully explained, but the only thing was that 50-minute candle. That wasn't my vibe.
Yeah. The idea was given out like for a very long time now. So
yeah, long ago. We were already planning it. But yeah,
100%.
But you want to do it again or not?
What?
Just tell him again. Or?
Tell
DJ making weekly top wick. Yeah, maybe. That's what I said. Full margin. Oh, stick. Damn.
Gold's about to collapse. Look at the daily now. That's a difference, isn't it?
Oh, damn.
How bullish is the daily looking now?
Yeah,
it ain't going to nowhere. To the moon. It's going to the hell right now.
I think we got a chart in and I think he listened. Yeah, so it might not come soon. Yeah, who knows?
Today's a character building day for me and GJ.
Whoa. Yeah, but we didn't take this. We didn't take the gold cells, so remove that from the screen.
GG breaking out.
We didn't take it, so remove it.
But you were out at break even, so at the end of the day, go on.
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I closed break even. Only thing I lost was commission.
Bro, this man, Hector, I told you before, this doesn't make any sense. There's nothing, there's no value in it, bro. I only see a box, and I see another line, and I see another line right there. This is no chart, man. Come on. I told you before. I looked at the other chart you sent. I told you what I wanted to see. Come on, man.
He bought GJ and GBP USD at the same time. Because that was GU, and the other one he just sent before, I think it was GJ. So the guy was like, it's double the risk.
Risky for the biscuit.
I mean, if it works, then good. But hey, if you lose both most of the time. So.
What are you laughing at?
I don't know. Just how you could just trade both. I don't know, man. Just doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Trade two pairs, 3 pairs max. Sometimes the third pair, but I've only been on GJ now for these last 2 months. Well, past 3 years, but
one more chart coming in. You know, I would write it on the screen if one of us took it, but I think most of us didn't take it. The GJ, the gold sales.
Yeah. Okay.
Even though we called them out.
True, makes sense.
Is the guy Zoom?
Yeah, I don't know about this sell. You're selling straight into support. You got your line right here. Why are you selling into support? I'm questioning myself right now.
Low volume time as well.
Yeah. I mean, here you got a good trade, I think. Here you got a good trade. Negative 3 pip reverse. I think you made it. Oh, it didn't work as well. You're selling straight into support and resistances. So there's something going wrong. Like, if you wanted to sell, you would have been selling it on this downtrend, like right here, this candle right here. Now you're selling at the support you got marked up yourself. Like, you want a candle to close below it for you to start selling it. Because this doesn't make sense. So look into where you could have sold better and where you didn't sell into this support level. I think this trade worked out, if I can see, but yeah.
Oh, look, gotta shout out the Instagrams as well over here.
Oh yeah, put them in the screen.
Instagrams.
If you want to.
20 followers from 1K. That's gonna be interesting.
Ooh.
And let's make Master P get that 1K.
Yeah, man, push it. I'm gonna put this one down a little bit. Puerto Rico, damn. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna end this this session. It was a pretty good session. Oh,
okay. No, I didn't finish writing.
I guess it. Yeah, off of your Instagram as well, man. They need to find out the rest themselves.
Holy, this won't let me finish writing Augusta's Insta. Augustas.razgas, right?
Yeah, I use a GIS.
Look, just go over the gram. Show them on the screen.
Show them on the screen. They want them shout out things. They want that cloud.
You have to show Master P.
For what? We gotta get that cloud.
Let's see.
Bring Master P to 1K.
This is my Instagram for the people that, like to give a little, ting.
Every
then we got Master. Yeah, I deleted the search history.
Hey, what girl is that coming up first, man?
Oh yeah, I deleted it already yesterday. If you look back yesterday, you can see. But yesterday it's shown accidentally. You know the vibe.
Let's push 1K.
You got look
now
at
1K,
look
1K,
at
1K,
smart
1K.
man.
Yeah, let's refresh it.
Yeah, push that 1K, guys.
984.
Wait, let me put that link in now.
Let's hit the target, boys.
Let's hit
If
full
you
TP
want
on
to
Master
stream
P.
tomorrow, we gotta hit.
If you want to stream tomorrow.
If you want to stream tomorrow.
Man's putting ultimatum.
Get this little boy to one. To
You
one
got
K.
Augustus over there as well.
I got one. Yeah, let's go to Augustus first and then go back.
These Lithuanians.
I'm expecting you guys to push him to 1K when I get back.
I'm targeting 1.5, you know?
Yeah, 1.5. This man is
Lithuanian
look
maestro.
at those. Look how fast this man is with them sunglasses.
Hey, mate.
Look at
I
that
nearly got a
flex.
speeding
Like,
ticket.
yo, girls, look at my jawline for a second.
Oh, man's taking a piss.
Man's popping bottles live on the.
Them New Year's, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, 10 left, man.
Nice.
10 left.
Gold definitely down to 1774.
Yeah. They're not gonna follow you now because you didn't take the gold cells.
Well, I called it out, so
Yeah.
if they were smart, they should have taken them themselves.
I mean, it made sense, guys. To be honest, if I would trade gold on a 5-minute, was like that was juicy.
Yeah,
entry.
juicy. Yeah.
Because if it's like the last 15 minutes of the hourly candle, you expect a push down.
Yep.
Yeah,
Is
and it's in a range.
Where is he now?
Goes from
Refresh
top to
that
bottom.
thing.
Oh, 10 more.
Ooh,
Six more.
Boys,
Gonna hit
come on.
TP.
Get this
You
little
maybe going to
boy
get a
up
stream
there.
tomorrow?
Yeah, I guess I'll be at the stream tomorrow if you guys.
6 more. Come on, push this little boy.
Cost anything.
4 more.
4 more. Come on.
Which language is your Instagram in?
Mine? It's
Oh,
in
mine. No, mine. I don't know why. It's my language of my Instagram is South African.
I love this guy.
Prof, it's the same. Trust. Ooh,
Yeah,
they
pretty
pushed
nice
us to the
session.
50. Master P, did you hit the 1,000?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
Very
3
left.
more.
3 more.
People will be following me, but follow Master P. I see people coming in me, but follow Master P, guys.
Go over to Master.
Yeah, go over to Master P.
I only need 3 more, then it's all good.
Wendy, follow me. You have a new song. Okay.
But yeah, it was a pretty
Okay.
interesting session today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, the
boring one.
Yeah, boring for GJ was pretty boring.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's like aggro days, and then there's days where you just don't do anything, and this is like the day where you don't do anything.
Money
Oh.
that thousand.
Get those air horns.
After the stream, unsubscribe.
There's a deeper pullback after this.
Well done, Master P.
Thank you. Yeah, shout out to Luke.
Yeah, you know the vibe.
Yeah.
Horn sound. Let me do this real quick. Let me annoy everyone. Minded 1,000. Now we're gonna be signing off for today. I think. No, I know. I don't think I know.
Yeah, there's no reason to stay, to be honest. GJ is trash today.
Yeah, exactly.
Just guys,
Oh,
go
shit.
enjoy the weather.
Enjoy the weather. Take it easy.
Chill.
There's no need for you to be in anything. You know. You missed the trade. You missed the trade.
But there was
It
no
is what it
trade.
is.
So
There was
nothing
no trade,
missed.
so nothing was missed. So yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. And tomorrow we're gonna go fully at it again. No trade day today, but that's all good.
Let's get it.
Let's get it, boys. Yeah, guys. See ya.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye bye.